people are getting fully vaccinated and the rest of us are waiting our turn. How much closer are we really to the end of the pandemic? Action News Now reporter Esteban Reynoso joins us now. And Esteban, how many people need to be vaccinated to reach that herd immunity?
Well, health experts say about 80% of the population need to be fully vaccinated to have herd immunity. But right now, just over 12% of the entire country is vaccinated right now. You can see it right there in that chart. And I spoke with a doctor today who told me just because you have the vaccine doesn't mean you can throw that mask away just yet. And to a grandmother I spoke to who is anxious to get back to normal. When was the last time you got to see them?
Well, it's been over a year. All of us who are waiting for that second dose are saying, well, but what does that buy me? You know, what can I do?
So once you get the vaccine, that's great. It feels great, but make sure to continue taking precautions, masking and social distancing. We know that that will protect you and it will protect others.
Dr. Dean Blumberg is the chief of pediatric infectious diseases at the UC Davis Medical Center.
And getting that second dose, a week or two after that second dose is when you get that full protection, that 95% protection.
Take a look at this. Nearly 40,000 people in Butte County alone have already received at least their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. But just because you're vaccinated doesn't mean you stop transmitting the virus.
But the other concern we have is that people who are vaccinated, although they're 95% protect, they still may able to transmit the virus to others.
If you can still transmit the virus, even if you have the vaccine, why take the vaccine?
Well, you have 95% decreased risk of getting sick, and you have at least a 2/3 decreased risk of transmitting to others. So it's the difference between driving safely and driving drunk, really.
And Mathens, who is 90 years old, will be taking her protection with a grain of salt.
We're not going to consider that we're back to normal. We're going to still, we'll be glad that we're protected more. We're allowing ourselves to go out into society.
Blumberg added that the vaccine is most effective a week or two after getting the second dose. He did say if you are vaccinated and you're exposed to COVID-19, you do not need to isolate, but you should symptom monitor for 14 days.
All right, well, Esteban, what did Dr. Blumberg say about all the vaccine and how it holds up against the variants?
Well, Blumberg said so far the vaccine is effective against the UK strain. As far as the South African and Brazilian strain, Blumberg says the data to accurately say yes or no is just not there yet.
All right, very interesting. Thank you, Esteban.